Let's take you through our simple and streamlined ordering process. Click on the Upload button and select your file. Choose your preferred material and color from our wide range of options. Select the printer settings, including the layer height of the print and the infill percentage needed for your project. Customize it to your exact specifications. After your model is analyzed, an instant quote will be generated based on your selections. Once you're happy with the price, simply click Add to Cart to move forward. If you have multiple parts, repeat the process for each one. When you're ready to check out, open your cart and proceed to checkout. Fill up the delivery details. Then, click Place Order to confirm. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's UPI, card, net banking, or wallet. Complete the payment securely and swiftly. Congratulations! Your order is now placed.